into wrestling once again. So DBFC. Denmark Kid. That'd be pretty cool, mate. I might be Denmark Kid, maybe. I don't know. Let's go versus. I'll be team 2. Let's it's a Dynamite Kid versus I don't know, let's be not one man gang. Sneeze. Let's be oh, this is hard. You know to be. Let's have a look. Let's be George Dragon Steel, is that right? Oh, Van Damme is Sabu. I haven't unlocked Sabu yet. I'm not playing much at story mode. Play a little. Maybe I found more one of them, I don't know.
Introducing first.
Manchester, England. If I wanted to go to Manchester, it'd probably be like an hour drive, maybe an hour, 20 minutes. So I live pretty close to Dynamite Kid. All I like to do is like drive an hour and a half. Yeah, I'd say it's about an hour, 20 minutes drive to Manchester. So if I wanted, I could go to Dynamite Kid, but that's something I don't really want to do. It's pretty messed up now, he's on steroids. I mean, you always were, but it's not. I can't remember what button to press. There we go. So, I've not played it in a while. Ooh! I've not done videos in a while because I got banned off the internet. Oh no! So bad at racing. Probably because I forgot to play. God! Trophy Animal still's quite slow. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I love this game. It's like so simple, so easy, so simple, but it's like so fun at the same time. Like kids nowadays, they don't know how to have fun with a game like this. Oh, Bratty. Mate, so if you don't know this game, there's the 3 ways you can win. You can win by pinfall, submission, or knockout. I don't know why knockout, but I usually try to go for knockout, it's more fun. I'm doing pretty good here. Oh no! This. My throat's not too good. Anyway, we're going out today, so might not be as many videos. I might do this one, I might do another one after, I don't know, but we're going out to Matlock. Hey. Oh. Oops. Hey, I've got an idea. Power driver. Or pedigree, what are we going to do here? We have a pedigree kind of thing there. I thought we were going to have a power driver though. So we're doing it again. Whee, that's kind of crap. I will admit that was kind of crap. Yeah, let's try it. Tap it out. Tap out. Oh, anytime he gets it wrong like that. It's kind of annoying. What? Look at that move, bro. Wait a minute. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, I don't want to be there, I don't want to be there. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? No, come on, he's got a chair. Right, take it off him, take it off him, take it off him. Hey. Yeah, you pick it back up. Like that. Battling this. Get up. I'm gonna wait for him to get up so I can hit him in the face. Come on, get up. Get up. Move it to here a bit so I can see it more. Oh! Oh no. Hey. Yeah, I just want to make it so you can see a bit better. It's really hard recording off a tablet. That's okay, I'm gonna start. So, this is what's gonna happen. I will be making a new channel. Don't worry, I'm not sticking to that. I'm gonna keep making this one. But I'm gonna make another video for high quality videos with like high quality gaming, and this one for it might have more for vlogs and stuff, but it will still have bits of gaming, just not in high quality. So my new channel is gonna have proper HD stuff. But don't worry, if you're a fan of this, I am not leaving you. How can I do that? I know many YouTubers will, but I will not. You can take that as a promise. If you do two at the same move and then like a different move, I think that's how you can knock him out. Yeah. I want to try and pin him. I think to pin him you have to do this. Oh no, not that. Oh god. Try and get him now, try and get him. Oh. I honestly suck at this game, forget all controls. Hey, here we are. So you have to press left and B. Anyway, we won. Cool. Let's try the character now. Got a bit tired. I didn't do that in the last video and I kind of made a pretty crappy wrestler. Or in one of the videos anyway. So I'm going to try and make a better one. Head. Mask. Let's try and make him evil. The last time he was masked and we made him a bit of a dirt. Some king there. Mankind. Look at some first. Let's run that. Hair. Facial scalp. Oh, I hate that word, scalp. It sounds awful. And I'm weird. Horseshoe. Coco. Mullet. Puffy. I need to sneeze again. God, am I from what we're called this one today? We need to die. Why don't we just have a mask instead then? Not very much there. Oh, look, wear a bandana. Yeah, button below. Bandana. Skin. Ooh, disease. Oh god, that's disgusting. How did you look on skin I want it? the time. It's a battle chest. Going massive. Heavyweight. Nope. Muscle. Let's go for average. Skinny, I want to see what this looks like. That whole seems massive. Skin. Oh God, why? What is that? I know bad too, but the skin I want. Do I have to have white skin or something? Look, I have black skin. Skin faces. What about Polo and Police are together? How much you have? Let's go for normal. Regular. Overcoat. It's a bulletproof, that look good. Oh, it's kind of terrible actually. Yeah, whatever. Alright, whatever. Design. Skin. Alright. Okay. This video started to go on a bit now. Steel toe, is it? Alright, I can't remember what corner. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, so thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure to like, share, favourite, leave a comment. Do whatever you want, I don't care. Thanks for watching, though. And bye.